beautiful friend, and welcome to Eating Well with Muriel in beautiful sunny California. But this is the perfect weather today to do our special Valentine's Day cookies. Yes, let's do it. Okay, and let me show you your ingredients, and especially you need this before you get started. Wet ingredients are gonna go in here, the dry one in here. Let me show you. If your honey is too thick, put it in the microwave for a few seconds. I use our Choco Nouveau, of course, but feel free to use whatever chocolate chip you like. Nothing happened. You know what, guys? I'm gonna use the mini Cuisinart, my favorite thing, but otherwise you can do this. And now in the oven at 350. My cookies are done, and now I'm just decorating them with a little red sugar. And you could serve them with your favorite strawberry milk, for example. Thank you so much for watching Eating Well with Muriel. Today we can thank Andrew's sister Gail for her wonderful cookie recipe, almost vegan. And I will see you next time. Bye.